Thing I think we need to stop doing in our math classrooms in America is we need to stop disconnecting the Algebra 2 and the pre-calc sequence. The reason why this is important is because if you were to take college algebra or algebra 2 as it's called in some schools, this is just an example textbook, but if you were to take a course of college algebra at some high schools in America, you will find that the textbook you use for college algebra and the pre-calculus textbook that is used by other schools sometimes, again, these are just placeholder textbooks to explain the point. What you realize is that what you did in algebra 2 and what you're going to do in pre-calculus have a lot of overlap. Sometimes, believe it or not, that overlap is over 75%. You're literally repeating 75% of what you did in algebra 2. What's interesting is some of the examples in the algebra textbook that I'm even talking about are found in the pre-calculus textbook. So I want to ask you a question then. Would you like to repeat all the busy work, all the homework of algebra 2 when you get to pre-calc because of some miscommunication or lack of communication between an algebra 2 instructor and a pre-calculus instructor? I think we need to stop this in America. And here's what I'm proposing. I'm proposing that you just take pre-calculus with the algebra 2, which all the content of algebra 2 is actually in pre-calc. So just take all the content at one time in pre-calc, right? So take algebra 1, right? And it's up to you if you want to do geometry after algebra 1. I personally think you should just go algebra 1, get the pre-calc done because it contains all the algebra 2, and then do the geometry. That's fine. Again, we have to rethink what we're doing in American math education. We are part of the problem of why kids don't love math because we sometimes repeat too much, right? So in my course, Counting to Calculus, which you could find in the description, I am trying to take all the topics, all right? I've taken all the topics we teach from kindergarten and I'm putting them in video form all the way to calculus. So you have one place where you get everything you need in one progression rather than this duplication, which sometimes can lead students not to be excited. Look out for that link and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave your comments in the comment section. Have a great day and God bless.